Good day, everyone. Yeah, you're welcome to Setro Craft channel. Today, I remain Joke Setro. And in case you're wondering what we're doing today, I just want to show you in less than 2 or 3 minutes how to fix an invisible zipper. And you know, at Setro Craft School, Setro Craft channel, Setro Fashion School, it's always as easy as A and B and C. And don't forget, our free online class is still ongoing. Some persons are making the mistake of just commenting on Setro Craft channel. No, we are promoting Setro's vlog. That's the channel you're subscribed to. It's been shown below. Setro's vlog. It's over 600 subscribers right now. By the time it hits 1,000 subscribers, we're going to commence with the free class. So we're just left with about 400 subscribers. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to our new vlog channel. That's what we're using to promote the free fashion class training. So, and you place a comment there and press the notification bell. So let's get started fixing an invisible zipper.
Right now, to achieve your invisible zipper on your dress or your top is so easy, but you need an invisible footer just like so. An invisible footer. This is it. This is a single-sided one. We have the double-sided one, but this is a single-sided one. Can you see? So this allows easiness while fixing the invisible zip. Although you could use a normal footer, but it will not be totally neat like the invisible footer. So I'll unscrew the normal footer right now and affix the invisible footer. Then you see how we do it, just as simple as A and B and C. Yeah. So having affixed our invisible footer right now, you come to your dress or your top. You're going to take your invisible zipper. Never mind the color of my invisible zipper. I'm just doing it for the class. So you make sure you've ironed out your zipper allowance this way. Okay, so by the time you're through with fixing your footer this way, you now come. You must have created the seam allowance for your zipper. Maybe it's ½ inch you use, or quarter inch, whatever inches, or 1.5 inches. So this is your invisible zipper. So you open it up this way. Then this is the side for this way. So you're going to do it this way. You're going to flip it to the other side like so. Then you're going to start stitching. By the time you do the first stitch and you see that it's not really close to the teeth of the zipper, you see it's not really invisible, it's still visible, the zipper. So you're going to open the teeth of the zipper finally. So you're going to open the teeth of the zipper like this, and we're going to sew just exactly from very close to the zipper teeth. That is the use of the invisible footer. So can you see the invisible zipper is allowing us get close to the teeth of the zipper this way, the invisible footer I mean. So you open down the zipper teeth this way, and you make sure it's closed, it's closed, it's closed, it's closed, just like so. You can see now that we have moved the what's it called, the stitches close to the teeth. By the time we bring it out, you see that it's really close, and it's just the teeth of the zipper you'll be seeing, just like so. So you repeat same for the other side, just like so, and you are good to go. I'm not yet through with the other part of this, my guys. So you repeat same for the other side. For the other part, you take it just like so. Can you see this is the right face? Then flip it just like so. You start stitching just like so. By the time you're done with fixing your invisible zipper this way, you can see this is the extent of having an invisible zipper. You would even know that a zipper is there. So that was why I had to repeat it. Some persons will just do the teeth once. If you want it to really be invisible this way, such that your zipper is not seen, but you are the only one that will know that you have a zipper. Can you say? Yes, it's just as easy as A and B and C. So you are just gonna do what? you're going to make sure that you do a very close stitching close to the teeth of the zip.
So this is just how to achieve your invisible zipper in less than 2 or 3 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to Setro's vlog. Setro's vlog is the channel. Place a comment, press the notification bell, free hashtag free fashion class. So till I come your way next time in my next video, I love you all. Remain cool. Bye, 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 bye.